Good morning, everybody. Here we are at school, so let's get started. Here is our copy work, so don't forget, write it each time and read it. He will not let you stumble. God is watching out for us. That's good news. And let's do our calendar. We're still in April. And today is April 16, a 1 and a 6. It's under Thursday. Today is April 16th, 2020, and it's Thursday. And let's go and see how many days we have been in school. 126. Isn't that amazing? It's a lot of school. So find your next hand. 1, 2, 6. We have 3 numbers to put in, so we have to make them a little smaller. So now that we've done that, we can start our math. Now look at my board. I have 3 patterns for you to finish. This is counting down by ones. So 10, 9, 8. What goes in that line? 7. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fit it in there. Now this is counting up, but we're starting at 26. 26, 27, 28, 29. And after 29, don't forget what comes. It's not 2010, it's 30. And then you continue on. Triangle, triangle, circle, circle. That's our pattern. Triangle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle. Yes, triangle. And then circle, circle. So you finish that pattern too. Now look what I have down here. We are going to be doing something with linking cubes. So I want you to get your linking cubes and make a tower of 10. Just like I have here. Let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now when you have these all ready, I want you to break them into 2 towers that are 5 and make sure they are the same. So those are the same, 5 and 5. Those are the same. And do you know what we can do as mathematicians? We can say 5 is the same as 5, but we can also say 5 equals 5. And remember what equals looks like? We've done it a lot. It's 2 little lines. So if we write it up here, we will say 5 equals 5, because that's the same. Now, we're going to take our tower over here and take one of them off and put it on the other and match them up. Now, are they the same now? No, this one is bigger. Let's see how many it has. We just took off 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many does this one have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's write those numbers on the board. The one over here on the left is 6, and the one on the right is 4. Now, can I put an equal sign there? Is 6 equals 4? Is that the same? No, it's not. Now, mathematicians have another little symbol to show you that 6 is more than 4. And this is what it looks like. It looks kind of like a V turned on its side. And that means 6 is more than 4 or greater than 4. Now, I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to take one more off of my short tower and put it up here on the other tower. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we have 1, 2, 3. So let's write that right here. 7 and 3. Now, is 7 equal to 3? No, 7 is more than 3. So we can make that same big symbol. Now, boys and girls, that is a brand new symbol. We have done minus, we've done plus, we've done equals, and now we have that sideways V to make it look like greater or more than. Now, you'll see some more problems right down here. So I'm going to bring this a little bit closer so you can see what I do. Now, I have numbers, and I have little towers of linking cubes. Okay, and I have numbers on them, and I don't have anything in between. We're going to do this first problem. Now, see that 2 right there? That means I'm going to color 2 of these blocks. So I'll start from the bottom. I'm just going to color 2, and I drew those blocks, and I'm going to color 2 right here. Now, is 2 equal to 2? Yes, it is. So there's my equal sign. Now, this one is correct. It's all done. And you know what? You go ahead and take your time and color it in all the way. When I'm showing you and demonstrating, I don't always fill it in. Now let's do the next problem. 3 and 1. 3 means I color 3 blocks. I'll try a different color now. I'm going to color 3 blocks. And I'm just using markers. You can use markers, crayons. You can even use your pencil. Now I've colored 3. How many do I color under here? 1. Right. Now, is 3 equal to 1? No, 3 is more than or greater than 1. So what goes in here? That big sideways looks like a V. And here's another problem. 1 and 4. So I'm going to color 1 block here, and I'll color 4. Now I have 4 blocks that I've drawn on here, so I have to color all of them. I have colored 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, is 1 equal to 4? No, 4 is greater than 1. Now look, I can turn my V the other way. The big open part always points to the biggest number. Now you have space right here, and so I'm going to show you how to draw. Just make your first box like that, and then make one underneath it, one more, and one more. And do the same thing over here. Just start with your first box, and look, that's not exactly right, but that's okay. This is mostly to learn math, not to do art. Now we're going to put numbers underneath it. Let's see, I'm going to put 2 right here and 3. Now you color them, 2 and 3, and you put that symbol right where it belongs, and I think you can figure that out yourself. And don't forget, I want you to do a math paper, so just do 1 a day, and then you'll be probably having enough for a while. All right, now we're going to do our spelling. Now I'm going to first of all remind you that we can do spelling with our letters. Now, it's really important to do that, to spell those spelling words. So I want you to be sure you practice that. Here's our spelling words. We're going to practice both ways today. We're going to do the letters by spelling G, and I'll move my R, and I'll move my O, and I'll move my W. There it is, G-R-O-W, grow. Now we just have to put the R back and the W back, and we get go. And we keep go for our next one, going, I-N, and there's our extra G. We had to cut that out. And then I want you to finish the and them by yourself. Now, that's not the only thing we're going to do, because we only had 4 days of school this week. We have to do our chart today, too. So remember, look, say, cover, write, and check. So we're going to put these two sections down, and you should have some of this paper, and you write your spelling words. You look at them with your list, and it's also up on the board, don't forget. So I wrote grow, go, going, the, and I have one more to write, them. So let me write that, them, T-H-E-M, them. Now I'm going to look at them. That's what it says, look. I'm going to see all the letters. Then I'm going to say, it says say them. Grow, let me say the letters. G-R-O-W. That's the O-W that makes the O sound like rainbow. And sow the seeds. Go. G-O, G-O. O is saying its name. Going. We've done ing when we did jumping, sitting, and playing. The, T-H-E, everybody can spell that. Them, T-H-E, plus the M, T-H-E-M. Now I've looked and I said them. Now I've covered them up. Now I'm going to write them. Grow, G-R-O-W. Go, G-O. Going, go-ing. The, T-H-E. Them, T-H-M. Okay, now I check. So I'm going to open up all of my pockets here and look, grow. Let's see, did I spell that correctly? G-R-O-W, G-R-O, yes, I get a star. Go, G-O, I got a star for that one, G-O, going, G-O-I-N-G, G-O-I-N-G, another star, yay. The, everybody can spell the. Them, T-H-M, T-H-E-M, uh-oh. Now I have to write that one again, T-H-E-M. Okay, make sure you practice your spelling. You're doing a good job learning how to spell and write. So that's what we're going to do. Now we are ready to write our next topic because we are going to make a book. Remember? I said we're going to make a book. We're not doing the amazing animals. That was what the other class did. We're doing Great Awakenings of spring and how spring is having the earth wake up and lots of things are happening. And yesterday we wrote about flowers, and I'll show you that book again in case you're still thinking about writing a little bit more or maybe drawing a picture. And today is about birds, but it's about one particular bird, my spring robin. So you should get another sheet of paper so you can start this as a new one. Now you're making different papers, and mainly you're getting your ideas down on the paper. Yesterday we did flowers in spring. Today we're doing my spring robin. And I just want you to write about a robin. Now, I think most of you have seen a robin, as I have. They've come back, and they're on the ground sometimes, in the air, sometimes on the roof. They are red on their belly and a kind of a brown and black on their back with a yellow beak. They eat worms, and I don't know. I know Amelia is telling me that she's going to write about the bird nest that's right outside her window. So lucky her. She is seeing something. Even if you can't see it, I can tell you what it looks like. There's the robin. That's the nest. It's in a tree and it has blue eggs. Actually, they're not always in the tree, those nests. I have one on the top of my porch every year. Not yet, but I'm going to look for that. So let's write about what we can think about that robin. We just talked about it a little bit. My spring robin, I've already started. Today I saw a robin, and you can spell robin and spring. It was, now I have to finish. I want to tell you when it was. It was when I went for a walk. Now you might be able to spell walk and you might miss it. And if you can't spell it, write what you think and get your ideas down on the paper. It was when I went for a walk. First, I saw one robin. That's how I spell robin. Then one more. Then one more. So how many did I see? I saw one, then one more, then one more. I saw one, then one more, then one more. I saw three. Three robins. Now, you know what? That was really exciting for me. So I'm going to make an excitement mark, an exclamation point. 3 robins. And you know where they were? They were on the ground looking for food. So I'm going to say that they were on the ground. They were on the ground. No, I'm not done, am I? But I got a good start. So you get a good start. Now your robin might be the one that you saw actually getting a worm. I've seen earthworms, especially after it rains. It's a little cold today, but that's okay. Or you might have seen a robin fly up into the tree when you walked by. You might describe the robin. I saw a very fat robin. That's because they've been in a warm place eating a lot. So I could say my robin was really fat, had a really big red tummy. You can just say whatever you'd like. So write what you can, just get your ideas out, talk to your parents, and then we're going to just keep writing and figuring out how to make this book. All right, don't forget to read. I let you have lots of books. Make sure you read today and do some writing, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.